What up, YouTube fam? What up, Mopar fam? Today we gonna be doing this this mask install on my charger, 2019 charger. Show y'all what it look like. Whatever that shit, oh, it's up here. Yeah, man, I do a lot of traveling and shit, hopping on the freeway a lot, and I'm always getting hella bugs and shit all on my grill. If y'all don't know, I just got this painted, got all that done. And I went on eBay and got one of these. It's called a Nova Stretch. Y'all can see. Front bumper mask for 2008 to present Dodge Challengers. 2006 to present Dodge Chargers. 2005 to 2008 Dodge Magnums. And 2005 to present Chrysler 300s. Y'all can see that. Yeah, and was supposed to go around just like that. That's a Challenger right there. So we gonna put that on here today, so I can prevent all them bugs and shit from splattering all over the front. And you leave that shit in there, it gets stuck in there, man. It's hard to get off, all the bug guts and all that. So we're gonna put that in today. What comes in this package, man? All right, here we go. There's the bra right here. Shit flying out. Little papers. I guess this is the installation kit, but we just gonna throw it on there. We ain't gonna go off this. I already looked at YouTube videos. Somebody already got one of these and seen how you put it on. It's really easy though. So here we go right here. It's kind of like the stretchy material on here. See-through stretchy material. And also got these. So this is the Velcro. It goes on the bottom in the middle to make sure it's secure down low. And these are the clips that you want to put on the wheel well so it can snap in place. It look like this. Like that. All right, so we're gonna start by installing these on the wheel well. First, so see how this go. All right, y'all, we back. First, I'm gonna let y'all know it's these two snap-in pins right here. These are the two you want to take off first. And before you begin, turn your wheel to the right so it'll be easier for you to access this right here. And what you want to use is one of these. Take these little snap pin clips off. All right, we're gonna get down and dirty.
Sorry, Lord, but let them die up in these fucking streets. Let them die, cause I'm not that other breed of nigga. I cock, I knock, I bust, I pull that trigger. I got that folded boy, I know they feel. He bluffing, he ain't with that money, nigga. Nigga, what? At the front door when I'm knocking. My nigga, you ain't about nothing. You walking while you talking, but you lost. I'll spill your fucking sauce up in these streets. My dude, I'm with the beef. Come on, missing if you bitchin', boy, don't fuck with me. I'm just a real cool, real talking nigga. Take care of my kids, ooh, that's a real nigga. Tryna get a deal, tryna pay the bills for my mama. Boy, get out my way before I knock. I'm just a real cool, real talking nigga. Take care of my kids, ooh, that's a real nigga. Tryna get a deal, tryna pay the bills for thugging. If she ain't talking money, I ain't fucking. This is real.
All right, y'all, next up. Now that I got both of the clips installed on both sides, we're gonna go ahead and throw the bra on, snap them in place.
You really better keep it cool. Cause turning down for what I have you caught into some stuff. Think of the pain your fam will go through. I'm just a real talking nigga. Take care of my kids. Oh, that's a real nigga. Tryna get a deal. Tryna pay the bills for my mama. Boy, get out my way before I knock. I'm just a real cool, real talking nigga. Take care of my kids, oh, that's a real nigga. Tryna get a deal, tryna pay the bills for my mama. Boy, get out my way before I knock.
Listen, the definition of a real nigga is an ill nigga that will kill niggas. For family, not money and power, the streets will devour your thoughts, roadkill, nigga. They'll sell your ass that used game and you bought it. You a good real nigga. I can't believe you buying jigs, your kids looking like hell, nigga. I'm sorry, you niggas is faker than $3 bill, nigga. Gun all of my belt, buckled by white top, left hook grill killer. I'm a leader, fuck it, I'm a gorilla. Call me Caesar, dying of the apes, nigga. Y'all water down and that's real shit. Y'all looking like a big lake, nigga.
Oh, we got these right here.
Take care of my kids,
band.
oh, that's a real
Take the band,
Tryna get a deal, tryna pay
put it
the
over there.
bills for my mama.
I don't know what that's called, but I'm gonna put it over there.
I'm just
Take
a
the other
real
one,
cool, real talking nigga. Take care of my
put it over.
kids, oh, that's a real nigga.
Put it over that. Now we got it on there. Put it up a little bit. Up a little bit. Let me set it down for you.
2 hours later.
Oh, I got a balance right there, so we can close the hood. Now, like I mentioned earlier in the video, got this right here, Velcro. You want to put that at the bottom to make sure that bottom is secure. Put it on right, man. You feel me? It come with it. It obviously came for a reason, so you don't want to skip this part. So get up under here. All right. Y'all can see the Velcro part. You want to put it somewhere like right here. We're gonna spray this a little bit. Where is it at? Oh, right here. I'll spray that a little bit. Make sure that's clean. Clean before we apply that Velcro on there. Make sure that's clean, y'all. All right. Now we want to place it. I'll place it like right there. Right there. Nice and even. Make sure it's on there. Now you want to put your Velcro on. Bam! Just like that. You good. We getting there. Bug be gone. Ain't gotta worry about the mosquitoes, the gnats, the flies, some big ass cockroaches and shit flying through there. None of that. All right, that's your finished product. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's gonna be a lot more little mods I'm gonna be doing in my car coming soon. So y'all don't forget to hit that notification bell, man. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. I'm out. Hey, y'all don't forget to subscribe to my social media accounts and music by K Lade, Money Boy. Link down in the description.